Candy may be sweet, but preservative isn't an ingredient in the recipe for long-term health and cause disease. So hey guys, I'm Vishnu and Bhateja and I welcome you all on FROLIC Smile. So today I am here with a beautiful recipe of orange candy. To make this juicy candy, we need 1 bowl of fresh orange juice. And pour this juice in a non-stick pan. Add 1 bowl of sugar and boil it on high flame till the sugar completely get dissolved. Here you can see sugar is completely dissolved. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and again boil it for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. Kids love to eat market candies which may contain emulsifier, sweetening agent and preservative, and sweetening agent contain large amount of sweet in it, and eating much sweet can lead weight gain, and eating large amount of sweetening agent and sweeteners may lead to decay due to much bacteria in it. Tooth decay will happen if you did not brush your teeth after eating sweets. But kids usually avoid brushing their teeth after eating sweets or after eating candies. So in this recipe, we will not add any preservative or sweetening agent which may harm you. This mixture is turned thick. Now we'll turn the flame into low. Here we have 1 spoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. We'll mix both the things together. And now we'll add this mixture of cornstarch and orange juice slightly in this while mixing it gently. And again we'll cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. So friends, the natural color of this candy is yellow. You can leave this as it is, or you can add orange color to this mixture. Here we are adding 2 drops of orange food color and mix it well. You can skip adding color to this, but we'll add this to give it a nice orange color. So it's been a minute since we are stirring it. Now this mixture is settled. Friends, you can set this mixture in any container you want to. Here we are pouring this mixture in molds. Friends, you should try this recipe once. This recipe do not contain any emulsifier, preservative or sweetening agent which may harm you. We have made this recipe with all natural ingredients. The mixture of cornstarch and orange juice will help you to bind your candies and give your candy a nice texture. We have poured this mixture in molds. Now we'll cool it completely and then we'll demold it. Now as you can see, our candies are settled well. Now we'll demold it gently. Friends, look at this candies. This turned into a very good texture. This does not contain any preservative or any of the emulsifiers, so it may not harm you. Your kids will definitely love this recipe. So just try it once. If you like this video, share this video with your friends. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share FROLIC Smile. Till then, smile with FROLIC Smile. Bye bye.